6, solve using an inverse matrix. Remember, you got to follow the instructions and do it how they tell you to do it. We've learned lots of different ways to solve equations, but you have to do it the way they're asking you to do it, which means I have a coefficient matrix, a variable matrix, and an answer matrix. And then I find the inverse of this one. So remember, we do that by doing 5 times 2 minus 3 times 3. We just subtract the diagonals right here. So I get 10 minus 9, which is 1, which is nice. That goes over 1. So we're finding, remember, this is the inverse of this matrix. So then I switch the 5 and the 2, and I change the signs on the 3. I don't need to distribute this through because it's 1. So now I use the inverse. When I times it on this side, it cancels this out, and I get my 1001 times xy, which remember is just xy. But now I got to times it on this side, so I put my inverse in first and times it by my answer matrix. So this becomes xy, because this became the identity. And then I take the 2, negative 3, and tip it here. And I get 8 and 0, so I get 8. And then I take the negative 3, 5, and put it here, and I get negative 12. So you can leave your answer like that, or you can write it like this. It doesn't matter either way. Okay? Now 15 on this page, remember we skipped, so you don't need to do 15. So that's it for page 6.